Summer times are worst because people and mainly kids try indulging in dangerous soft drinks. Better make this healthy homemade recipe of Aam Panna and drink fresh. Let's see how to make Aam Panna. First, in pressure cooker, put 200 grams of raw mango cut into square pieces, 50 grams of fresh mint leaves, 1 liter water and mix well and cook it until 4 whistles on high flame. Once cooker cools down, open it and add 200 grams of sugar and mix well. Next, strain the mixture in a bowl. Now in this add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon black salt and mix well. This Aam Panna syrup is ready. You can also store and keep this syrup in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Now in 1 glass, put 4 tablespoons of prepared syrup, 4 to 5 ice cubes. Fill the glass with drinking water and mix well. Chilled and healthy Aam Panna is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.